Hello guys, this is Shoaib and welcome to my English lecture. And today we will be talking about one of the topics that is finite verb and non-finite verb. So mostly I have seen the students keep asking questions regarding finite verb and non-finite verb. So I hope that after this video there will be no confusion. So basically there are some certain distinguished features which make them different from one another. So we will be talking about the different features of finite verb and non-finite verb. So after that, finding it in a sentence will be a piece of cake for you. Okay, let's explain it without wasting the time. So finite verb and non-finite verb. So basically in finite verb and non-finite verb, there are certain distinctive features. Because of that features, they are put in different or separate categories. Let me start it from finite verb one by one. A verb which changes with tense is called finite verb. Because of this feature, we can know that a finite verb will be changed according to the tense. For example, if you just say a sentence in the present tense, and if you want to convert that sentence into the past tense, so it will be different. For example, he goes to market to buy something. So you can see here there are two verbs. The first one is goes and the second is to buy. But if I want to just say that to decide that which one is finite verb and which one is not, so let me just convert it into past tense. He went to market to buy some things. Now you can see here that finite verb is goes, not to buy something, because it get changed right now that when we convert it into the past. I said that he went to the market to buy something, but we did not change to buy, but we changed goes. So that is why it is finite verb. Okay, the second distinctive feature, but if you are still confused and you want to clarify your mind, so there is another clue as well for you. Just look at a verb which shows tense is called finite verb. So we come to know that which verb shows tense will be called finite verb. We come to know that a verb which gonna show us or which gonna inform us about the tense, so that verb will be called finite verb. So as I given you the example earlier that he goes to market to buy something, so here goes is a finite verb. Because of it we can say that it is present simple tense, and we change it and it also changed, so it is finite verb. And the third distinctive feature of finite verb is a verb which changes with the number of subjects is called finite verb. So it is quite simple and easy when the subject of a sentence is singular or plurals, or we can say that one person or second person or the third person, so the verb will be changed. For example, we said that earlier that he goes to market. If it were they, so they go to market. If they were singular noun, so if we would use goes. So according to the subject it will be changed. For example, they are going, he is going. So now you can see that the auxiliary and a verb that is finite verb, it shows us the tense. We can say that they are going, it is present continuous tense. So okay, it was the features of finite verb. Let's move towards non-finite. Non-finite verb. A verb which does not change with the tense is called non-finite verb. So because of this feature, we came to know that non-finite verb will be that verb which does not change with the tense. As in the earlier example, we talked about a sentence that consists of two verbs. The first one was finite verb and the second was non-finite, because it did not get changed with subject, or we can say that with tense. Example, we converted it into past tense, but it remained in its own place. We said that he went to market to buy something, even though instead of goes we put it went, but we did not change to buy. So we came to know that non-finite verb will be not changed according to the tense. And the second feature of non-finite verb is a verb which does not show the tense is called non-finite verb. It's against the finite verb, because finite verb can show us the tense, but non-finite verb cannot show us a tense. For example, they take class of English to learn English language. So you can see here it also consists of two verbs. The first one we have take, and the second to learn. The third distinctive feature of non-finite verb is a verb which does not change with the number of subject is called non-finite verb. For example, in simple words, that non-finite verb will be not changed according to the subject, whether the subject is singular, plural, or he, she, it, they, so it will not get any changed. So if you like my video, so please share it, subscribe it. Thank you.